everyone, and welcome back. So today we're going to be planning out the week of July 4th through July 10th in my Erin Condren hourly life planner. So there's a look at last week. Not a whole lot changed. I did manage to put in some workouts. I've got to go back and add Tuesday and Wednesday. I did get most of my tasks done that I said I was going to do, and then I didn't edit any videos on Sunday because I really didn't get to film any. We had quite a busy weekend and it was just a lot of fun because we all managed to take time off at the same time, which was great and almost rarely happens. We were able to go to Jekyll Island, which is a beautiful beach here in coastal Georgia. We were able to go to the pool. We did some cooking out. We went to a Savannah Bananas game. I mean, it was a great weekend. All right, so let's jump into this week. It is currently Monday when I'm filming this, and I have the day off from work. I am going to be using a Nicole Hutch Designs kit. I don't remember the name of this kit, but it is 229 from her shop, and I do have a coupon code for her shop, so be sure to check that out down below in the description of this video. But it is really pretty. There's a lot of really cute elements to it, and I also grabbed a Let's Plan It letterboard sheet that I got. If you saw my haul video, then you saw that I got this as part of one of my orders from their shop. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So I really love how unique these date covers are, because they're not, even though they are kind of cut out in squares, they're actually like the shape of like a paint splatter, if you will. Might be a little bit hard to see, but I thought that these were really pretty. And my desk setup is a little bit weird because I changed some things around, and so kind of having a little bit of a hard time reaching forward. I don't know how much longer I'm going to keep my desk like this, to be quite honest. I don't care for it too much because it's making where my camera has to sit just like really awkward. And I'm just not a fan of it right now. So actually this morning I was thinking of moving some things around, and I realized that I got rid of some of the pieces of my desk that I need to do that, to make those changes. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to like rethink this plan, because if you guys saw how far I was having to reach forward, you might get a good chuckle there. So, okay, these are the date covers. I think they look really nice and just kind of give the planner a whole different vibe. These are how her date covers come. I almost lost them. I like them. They're very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the date covers on for this week. I hope that you guys had a great weekend. If you were able to have a long weekend, I hope that you were able to get some relaxation in. I know that not everyone gets a long weekend for the 4th of July, so totally understandable if you did not. I hope at some point you get some rest, right? All right, so there are the date covers. I love that this Hello Weekend sticker has like the washi behind it, like already built in. It's super efficient. And I'm just gonna put that right about there. Lately, that's where I've been putting the weekend sticker, and sometimes I will do the temperature. So this week I may do the temperature again. We will see, especially because it's already Monday. I'm filming much later in the week than I normally do. All right, so let's focus on, actually let's do washi at the bottom. Let's do washi at the bottom. These are so pretty, but they are also very thick. So I kind of want to just go ahead and do the floral. So we'll do that. I've been trying to use kits that come with thinner washi, and I could have cut it, but that's a lot of extra work that I just don't want to do. All right, let's get that one going. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave the calendar covered up. And even though I kind of didn't want to keep going higher, it's gonna kind of help me out to use this washi strip here, because it's also going to cover up the rest of the little July mini calendar, which is totally fine, because even if I'm not able to plan out that entire bottom section in my planner, that's stuff that I will plan out in my daily, which, by the way, my daily situation, I'm really loving it. I'm now in the A5 daily, and I absolutely love it. I love it so freaking much. I'm going to use the quote sticker on here, the whatever makes you happy, do that, because I actually really like that. And then the this week sticker, I believe, is on the date cover sheet, which is perfect. Her kits are really easy to work with, which I absolutely love. There we go. And then I don't know I guess we could do the habit trackers on this side. I'm probably overthinking that. Let's see. Okay, we'll go ahead and put these down. Even though these are things, I have like multiple trackers now, which I need to figure out if I just want them to be repetitive, because now I'm using trackers in the daily on that extra notes page, which I'm absolutely loving. Stay tuned for Wednesday's video because it's going to include a little bit of that. All right, I think I'm just gonna leave this blank the way that it is. And then what I can do is use her meal planning stickers, which it's gonna be a lot of stickering. I'm imagining that this planner is going to be super chunky by the time I'm done with it, which I'm totally fine with. But this is going to be very sticker heavy with some of these stickers going all the way across the column. So I've really, like I said, I've been enjoying being in the A5 daily. As you guys know, I had been in the 7x9 daily for quite some time, and I was just kind of feeling like I love this space, don't get me wrong, but I also love the fact that the A5 just felt very comfortable. It's hard to describe. I just, the wide open space of the 7x9, it sometimes made me feel very uncomfortable, which I know sounds silly, but as planners, I feel like we're always prone to trying to fill up every space, and I felt myself trying to do that in the 7x9, and it just fills up a little bit faster in the A5, so no problem there. All right. That looks great. All right, so for this week's videos, and I'm gonna kind of grab my sticker book here. I've been sort of reorganizing some stickers. I have this reusable sticker book from Fern Creek Stickers, and I've been putting like icons, basically anything that's like black and white in here, because then it will go with any kit. And that's been kind of what's going on in here, and it hopefully will make my life easier with finding certain things and not having to pull out full binders for one specific sticker. So for this week, I think I want to use these for my videos is what I'm thinking. Actually, I was going to use the scallop stickers, but I'm not really into scallop stickers. So we'll use these 3 smaller framed boxes here and just kind of put them at the 8 o'clock area for videos. That is definitely crooked. And let's just grab the other 2. And then I'm going to use the play button stickers that I have. And I think the ones that I have are from Planner Kate, at least the ones that I'm using today. So we'll grab 3 of these. These are so freaking cute, and I'm going to need to order more. I need to see if she just has neutral ones, because on her site, the page has these play buttons, but the little heart on the play button has a coordinating color on a lot of them. So I just pulled off the ones that were truly neutral. So today's video is obviously the plan with me. And then Wednesday will be a daily video. And then Friday, I'm still undecided. Fridays are always my videos where like I go rogue. Like I will make a plan for Fridays and then it never ends up happening. So we're just not gonna do that. Also on Monday, I'm gonna put this day off sticker. I'll just put it right about here. That'll work. And then just for Monday, I wanna use one of my film stickers from Nicole Hutch Design, not from Nicole Hutch, I'm sorry. One of my film stickers from Hand Can Plan, and I will use that for what I'm doing this afternoon. And then I'm going to use this Organize This sticker, because typically on Sundays, which today would be my Sunday, being Monday, realize I'm out of frame, I get like my work bag and my work clothes ready for the week so that I'm prepared, and everything just kind of on Monday, or what will now be Tuesday, will feel like I can just head out the door, not worry about forgetting anything, and I'll just feel a little bit more at ease. So I'm just going to do work bag and then work clothes. Okay, so on Tuesday, we're going to jump right into some work things. So I have an interview at 9 a.m. That is like quite an early interview, but it's one that, if you guys remember from last week's plan with me, that I had to reschedule because no one else was going to be around to sit in on the interview, and I was actually going to work from home, so we're going to do that. And then at 10 o'clock I have a meeting, and I think I actually have some Nicole Hutch Design stickers that say meeting. Yep. And I might actually need a few of those. So I should probably keep those close by. Oh man, coming back to the office after a really long weekend is going to be super fun. And then I have an 11 o'clock meeting. Why did I do this to myself? Oh my gosh, it's gonna be like back-to-back stuff. And then I actually have a 1 o'clock safety meeting. Like, what in the world? I'm gonna go through all of my stickers in like one day. Okay, that's it for meetings. And then I've got nothing going on Tuesday night that I know of. All right, on Wednesday, I actually have no meetings on Wednesday, so I think I'm going to use the, which box do I want to use? I kind of like the blue, but I feel like there needs to be some floral right here, so I'm going to use the floral box for Wednesday, and then a little laundry action for Wednesday afternoon. And these scallop stickers are cute. I can't even tell you the last time I used a scallop sticker, so that's pretty cute. All right, moving on to Thursday, and I'm just gonna fold the book to make my life a little bit easier. So Thursday is payday, and let's go with this sort of like salmon colored sticker. And then on Thursday at 11, I have a meeting. Gotta grab those meeting stickers again. I guess I better place a Nicole Hutch Designs order. I have this from Planner Kate as well. I don't think I have any from Chrissy Ann Designs. Like, now I'm gonna have to like look through my stash. But then I also have a 2 o'clock meeting that day, and I think that kind of wraps up meetings for the week. Thank goodness. And I don't really have a space to put a full box, but I did want to put, since it is a payday, to put the finances sticker here. This one's also from Nicole Hutch Designs. I had so much of her stuff that I was like, I really need to use it. And this was like the best way to do it, was to reorganize my stickers so that they would actually be in a spot that I would actually gravitate towards and use them. So that's working out really good. Okay. I also am going to put the takeout trash sticker simply because our trash day is on Friday, so that'll be Nathan's thing to make sure the trash gets taken out then. Oh, that looks so good. I freaking love it. Friday is a work from home day. I don't have any meetings that day, so that is great, which means I can put another full box down, and we're just going to go with the floral yet again. Now on Friday night, I have my Friday Night Live, which had been canceled for a couple of weeks. So I had reset the next Friday Night Live for July 8th, which I'm super excited about. And I think I'm going to grab a Don't Forget sticker. Oh my gosh, this is, yep, I'm so glad I did this. And when I tell y'all, it took me like forever. And there's still a lot of pages in this book. I don't know if Fern Creek still sells them, but lots of shops sell the reusable sticker books, and it's just, I really, really like it a lot. So, all right, Friday Night Live. And I am gonna grab an Instagram icon because why the hell not? It just makes sense. All right, and then on Saturday morning, if the weather is cooperating, which lately I'm not so sure that that's gonna happen, I wanna make sure that I take my car to the car wash. I mean, it went through some stuff between the pool and going to the beach. It's time to clean it up. And then I'm gonna use this time to clean sticker on Saturday as well. And we're gonna use a half box for that. I'm trying to make sure I spread out the colors evenly. Probably should have done like a mint color. No, let's go with this one. We'll do that on Saturday. And then I wanna carve out some time for the meal planning, which definitely has to happen. And I think I'm honestly gonna use the phone and the coffee and then put the meal planning right underneath that. It just like jumped out at me, and I think that that's really cute because typically I will sit down looking at my phone, our schedule, having some coffee, all of that stuff. So All right, and then no plans yet for Saturday night. On Sunday, definitely going to the grocery store. And let's have, yep, one more of these scallop stickers left. And then I think if we have time on Sunday, we're gonna go to the pool again. And I think that might be all for now. Oh, that actually turned out good. Like I didn't see this side because I had the book folded over, but that actually looks really, really nice. So all I've got to do is put in my habits and my meals. And I think for now, my habits are going to be to read daily. And I want to continue on my no soda journey, which is for the most part been going pretty good. Even when we went to the baseball game last Saturday, they had bottled water and that's all I had. Like Coke and Sprite were an option, but I had water and that's like huge for me. And then just tracking out the days that I work out since I'm not putting it across here like I did last week. All right, that is it. All right, guys, that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.